All to today's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again, and of course it is a beautiful Saturday morning, and it is the time for us to analyze on the mobile platform, just for us to see what the market is giving to us today. And of course, guys, you guys already know the setup I'm having on my charts, and in case you don't know, let me quickly show you on the main charts, which is the one that I will be using. Okay, I'm having EMA 9 right there. That's the setup for it, and I'm also having SMA 55, and this is the setup for it. And the last one which I'm having is just EMA 20. Okay, then that is what I will be using for the analysis today. Okay, quickly let me show you that of the window indicator too. It seems I will be using this window indicator. I have the RSI, and you can see all these, and also the settings which I have here. And of course, guys, I also have the simple moving average 55. The Ichimoku, I'm not going to be showing that because I'm not using that to do my analysis, and that is why I'm not highlighting it. Okay, so you can see that part of Ichimoku is dark. Okay, so that is very, very important. So this is just what you need to know. Okay, let me just use this window indicator to explain a few things to you. Okay, I'll remember your chart must be on 5 minutes time frame. Okay, and of course the window indicator, once the SMA 55 picks up from 10, it shows that it is going to be buying, and that is it. And when it gets to 90, it shows that it should be preparing to sell. Okay, so quickly let me also I'll explain to you on the main chart so that you know what to look for. Okay, on the main chart, if the EMA 9 crosses below the EMA 20, it means that it will be selling. Okay, that is your entry point for selling once it crosses below it, but once it crosses above it, then it will be buying. Okay, so that is very, very important. And your SMA 55 on the main chart helps us to know the trend. If the markets are being created above our SMA 55, then the market will be buying for a very long time, and in most cases most resistance zones will be broken. Okay, and of course if they are being created below it, then it means that it will be selling for a very long time, and in most cases most of the support regions will be broken. Okay, so that is very, very important. So quickly let's do the analysis right away. So this is boom 1000. This is boom 1000, and just the way we have seen it, it's been on a very strong uptrend, and the trend started from here and gave us an entry point signal right here, and around here it confirmed the trend, and of course that it's going to be very strong, and it started going up. Okay, at the moment it is at this resistance zone. If this cross below it, then the market is most likely to go on a downtrend, and if it goes below SMA 55, then definitely it will be on a very strong downtrend. But for now we're still trying to see the entry point, okay, before we can say it's going fully on downtrend. Of course this is already at 90, so let's see what will happen from there. We are expecting it to go back on downtrend around there, but we need to see the clear signal before we jump into the market. Okay, so let's check it, the next asset, which is crash 1000. So guys, this is crash 1000, and just the way we have seen it, we noticed that when this got to, it went up till it got to the resistance zone, and that is when it also got to the resistance zone right there. So it started selling right from there. You can see the crashes, it kept on going down and down. We got our entry point right here, got confirmed around here, so it started selling. And even though this didn't go too far, so which means it will still pull back and sell more. Okay, it will still pull back and sell more. So that is what we have just experienced right now. Okay, and of course this is still going to be more of a selling opportunity, because after the pullback will not be for a very long time before it will continue selling. That is very, very important. Okay, so the next asset we're checking out is going to be boom 500. Let's check that out quickly. So this is boom 500, and just the way we have seen it, guys, from this resistance zone, it started a downtrend. We got our entry point signal right here, and it went below SMA 55, and of course that was around 90 also right here, and it started selling. Okay, there was a pullback around there, you can see that, but still went back down to sell because this has not gotten to 10. Okay, so right now it has gotten to 10. We are most likely to have a change in direction of the market, but probably that is after testing out the support zone right here. So we should expect more of a buying opportunity today than a selling opportunity, but wait for the right signal before you jump into the trade. Okay, because it will be trying out this support zone again before it will go fully into it. Okay, so the next asset we're checking out is going to be Crash 500. Let's check that out quickly. This is Crash 500, and just the way we have seen it, it started the downtrend from here, got our entry point signal around here, but went below SMA 55 round here, so it kept on going down and down. This is what I explained to you about SMA 55. It will force it to break out some support zones, and of course it will keep on going down. Of course, this is now at 10. Okay, so definitely we should be expecting it to pull back any moment from now. Okay, so that is very, very important, but we need to wait for the entry point signal before we can say it is going on buy trend, but for now it is still selling. Okay, so the next asset we're checking out is going to be Crash 300. Let's check that out quickly. This is Crash 300. Starting from this support zone, started an uptrend, and of course we got our entry point signal right here, and it has gotten above our SMA 55 around there, so it's most likely for it to keep on buying till it get to this resistance zone. Okay, before we can say the market can go back on downtrend. Okay, so the last asset we'll be checking out is going to be Boom 300. Let's check that out quickly. This is Boom 300, and of course starting from this support zone, it started an uptrend and got confirmed almost immediately, and of course it started going up. Okay, till it has gotten to this resistance zone. Okay, if it's unable to break out from there, then it will go back on downtrend, and we just need this to happen, and of course allow it to go under the SMA 55 before we can say it is fully on downtrend. Of course, this is already at 90, so once this crosses below it, then definitely it is most likely for it to go back fully on downtrend. Okay, so these are all that we are able to come up with today. All you just need to do is just to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For now, I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.